Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to log out of Gmail from Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is launched, you'll need to navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar at the top of your browser and pressing enter. This will take you directly to your Gmail inbox where you can access all your email accounts that are currently signed in. Once you're on the Gmail page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there, which is typically a circular image that displays either your profile picture or the first letter of your name. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. After clicking your profile icon, a menu will appear showing all the Google accounts currently signed into Chrome. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Sign Out or Sign Out of All Accounts. Click on this option to proceed with logging out. This action will disconnect your account from Gmail and ensure that no one else can access your emails from this browser without logging back in. Once you click Sign Out, you'll immediately see that all your accounts have been successfully logged out from Gmail. The page will refresh and you'll be taken back to the Gmail sign-in screen, confirming that you're no longer signed into any accounts. This is an important security step, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Now, if you want to take this a step further and completely remove accounts from Chrome, you'll see an option that says Remove Account on the sign-in page. Click on this option and you'll be presented with a list of all the accounts that have been previously used on this browser. To remove any account permanently from the list, simply click the red circle icon beside the account you want to remove. This ensures that the account won't appear as an option the next time someone tries to sign in, adding an extra layer of privacy and security. And that's it, you've successfully logged out of Gmail from Chrome and removed any accounts you no longer want stored in your browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.